So, my friends, kita lanjut lagi. Tadi kita sudah melihat seperti apa terakhir VB1 with really nice original part. It's all original, even the dust, maybe.
Yes.
Yeah. Even the dust is still original, never clean up.
No.
Yeah.
Never, I think.
And then, what we will see again in your
About
garage.
my collection
Uh-huh.
to this SS. This one is for sale.
Yes.
Oh,
This one is for sale.
this
SS50.
one is for sale. 50 SS.
50
Full
SS.
restoration, still in good shape.
Okay. And this is for sale also?
Maybe if
Yeah.
an Indonesian good client
Uh-huh.
would like to bring it back to the country,
Yeah.
I don't know.
I hope Indonesian will be bring back to Indonesia. Yeah, I hope so.
But I want to ride it again.
Yeah,
if
yeah,
I
yeah,
will
yeah.
set to Indonesia, I will come and ride it again sometimes.
Sometimes,
okay?
yeah, I agree. Okay, let's show me again. What about this? It's Quadrophenia. It's
Crazy particular history. Oh, look!
hey, Jacob.
Vespa.
Vespa Hub. Ah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, cool.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet
Billy. Ini orang Indonesia yang tinggalnya di Venezia.
Grande, Billy.
Ah, finally.
Two Italians and two Indonesians. What we have to do now? We
You
have to go.
you Spain, right?
What?
Are you Spain?
No, I'm from here.
Oh, Italy?
He looks
Vespa
like
Hub.
a Spain.
Yeah. Oh, you're from.
I'm from Sassuolo near Modena.
Oh, so same with you, Sassuolo, right?
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you, brother.
How are you?
Nice. We also long time to
text
every time. Eh?
Instagram.
Oh my god.
I remember 1 year and a half ago when I went to Jakarta to Java. You text to me,
Yeah.
come to Makassar.
Yeah.
Bro. I can't. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay, but maybe next.
Yeah. Next time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
Thank you for coming. Thank you. I'm so happy to come here.
happy too.
Yeah. So excited. So, Luca, what do you want to show me again?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait. Okay.
This is seriously a particular Vespa with a great history because it's a Vespa that participated in a very famous film. Quadrophenia, very famous
Yeah.
for the scooter culture.
Yep.
Friend. An English production made by the musicians, the Who.
The Who, yeah, the Who,
Okay.
yes.
So the film was from 1979, my age, the film.
Oh, okay.
But
So this is original from the movie?
original from the movie. This Vespa. Sorry.
Okay. So where you found the Vespa?
In an auction in England some years ago.
Okay.
I participated at this auction, and finally I bid enough to
Yep.
receive the Vespa.
Jadi
Me and my brother Andrea, we bought, and it has a fantastic history.
Yep.
Okay.
you bought the history, I think,
Yeah.
for this GS5, right?
GS5. Yeah.
GS5.
It was. It comes from a very famous Englishman, Bill Drake, collector, but also, a teacher about Vespa.
Yeah.
In the UK. And, yes, he passed away. So some parts of his collection
Okay.
went to the auction, including this Vespa.
Wow.
So I flew to UK in order to buy a 98. But after I didn't bid enough for the 98. So I decided, fortunately, to buy this one. And
Awesome.
I thought to restore it completely in the shape of the film, so with the chromed mudguard, etc. But after, I decided to keep it as it was.
Okay. I think it's okay.
Yes.
Let.
And the show is history.
Yep.
Okay.
It's
I have
original.
found during the time some of the original parts of
Original
the
Vespa dari film Quadrophenia, dan ini dia waktu waktu di filmnya itu, ini dia. Okay, let me show
I'll show you also.
which one the oldest.
This is the oldest.
This is the oldest.
This is Vespa 98.
Okay.
1947.
47,
Yes.
47. Ini namanya Vespa 98. 48. Sorry.
47.
47.
This is the Vespa 98.
98, yeah.
But it's ultra rare, I think.
Ultra rare.
Yes, because of the conditions, because it has 6,000 kilometers only since new.
Really?
Okay. Never been dismantled or touched. Okay.
So is this original panels?
Original. Wow. Never touched, never restored, never dismantled.
Oh my gosh.
And the particularity is that I have found it in Switzerland. So it was originally produced for export.
Okay.
So in this specific case, it born with a 125 cc aluminum cylinder instead of the Italian 98 cc. Only the cylinder is different, okay?
Okay.
And also in for the
This is for
Swiss
the
law for the plate.
for the plate.
That in Italy we didn't had this problem.
Where you found this Vespa?
North Switzerland.
Not Switzerland. Awesome. Ultra rare because the condition is very beautiful.
Condition
Wow.
and because only more or less 1,500 produced at the beginning for exportation.
Oh.
Okay.
Wow. Vespa 98. Vespa 98 teman-teman. Ini masih like
The
Bacchetta.
system is like Bacchetta.
The system
It's the
like
first Bacchetta.
It's first Bacchetta.
This is the cable.
The cable
to the
for the
rear
speedometer.
to the rear wheel.
Rear?
Yes.
Oh.
From
Jadi
here to the rear.
speedometernya ke belakang ya. Knalpotnya seperti ini. Dan ini masih original, never touch. Awesome. Wow, this is the oldest one. Awesome. Yeah, what's next?
Next one.
Masih banyak teman-teman tuh.
53.
53, it's original?
Original paint.
Perfect original
VM1.
50. VM1, VM1 dengan kondisi sangat original. Okay, and then?
Then Roman Holiday.
Roman
In
Holiday.
this case, it is a V31 1952. Okay.
1952.
Yes.
Ini ya V31.
V31.
V31 dengan kondisi it's very original paint also. Very original Vespa Roman Holiday. And then?
All-state American Vespa.
All-state.
Imported from the US some years ago. Found very, very original.
Yep.
Okay. And also, this is a very particular Vespa with a particular history because I have found it completely dismantled in wooden boxes and biscuit boxes. It is the 17 VM254 produced. In fact, the certificate tells sold originally December